Slap the booty, Ryan. Alrighty, boys and squirrels, we are back here at the StormGarage. Not exactly at the StormGarage, but at my buddy's place, and we are gonna go over one thing real quick. So this series is actually going to be the same thing, going over the car, painting it, but it's gonna be called Painting Adventures, kind of just showing everything that goes through into actually painting a vehicle, all the prep work, everything that we actually have to do to be able to get it paintable. Because everybody online thinks that you can paint a car for 250 bucks for some reason with a rattle can and make it look good, and maybe you can if you're chip boost.
Maybe.
I highly doubtful. So we're gonna go through, and everything that I put in here, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit more to show you like what I'm doing in the engine bay when it goes like lacquer thinner, cleaning up in here, sanding, getting all the grease done. I'll go ahead and still record sanding the top, how you scuff it and everything like that to not get squirrels in the paint, to keep the paint level, so when we spray the primer and the paint, that all of it looks flat and nice along the side of the car, and not all wrinkly and seeing all the sand marks and everything like that. So yeah, let's get into it. I finished up the engine bay, sanding or scuffing everything in the engine bay, and Foose Jr. got the front bumper done, all ready for, she's ready for primer, right? Yeah, okay. And we got the hoods all done. That's been, do we gotta do the other side of the hood yet? Okay, we gotta do the other side of the hood yet. The rear bumper is all ready to go as well. This side here, we had to pull this seal off. And to get this seal off, we had to pull the whole back of the soft top out the car, and then around the top here. Actually got the rubber seal all the way off here so we could get a proper paint job all around this thing, unlike the last people who did all this stuff. Did they even? No, they went right up to this. They went right up to it. Got to tape all of that off, up around the seals, bag the inside of the car, and clean up mirrors, scuff those up, sand them, and a few more things. The headlight covers. We got Mr. Foose Jr. over here fixing up the friggin' rear thing, that thing. Yeah. How's it going, Bondo Master?
It's going amazing today. Just super duper.
What's that?
How about we just could work? How about that? That's what we're gonna do.
Meep
meep, meep meep. Any guys hanging out today? Meep meep.
All right, boys. So the GoPro overheated a little bit, so I had to stop recording for a little while, but I wanted to keep working and get some stuff done. So there's a few things that skipped over. I was just taping off and bagging the inside, so we had to tape it off, clean around the doors. This is what I got done while it was away. Got it all mostly taped off. We're gonna try and get everything nice and clean around the edges, be able to get that all painted, taped off all the stickers, and the little door light closer thingies. I still gotta clean back here some more. We got a sand there. Same thing for here. Oh, it's like Foos didn't get his whole side, huh? All right, well, I gotta cover the rest of that. So I'm probably going to skip over me cleaning all that, and then we'll hop into whatever we do next. All right, and we took another little break here. I went and grabbed some food, and then my buddy David came over.
What up, guys?
So we are here, and he's going to tinfoil and wrap everything in the engine bay so we can go ahead and actually paint around it. He started a little bit, but we started sanding in around there. I got the whole back area under where the soft top seal goes sanded. Foos Jr. is gonna come on here and do his thing with that. I'm not exactly sure what he's got to do for that with the Bondo. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the time lapse of David wrapping everything in the engine bay with aluminum foil, so that it should be fun. All right, so we got half of the engine bay wrapped in tin foil and figured out we still need more tape. And I ran out of tape for some other stuff anyways, and we're low on lacquer thinner. We're gonna make a run to the store, David and I, and he brought his silver NB here, so we're gonna go for a cruise in the Silver Bullet and have some fun on the way to Walmart. Get it. We're in Mexico.
That fell out.
The Silver Bullet under better lighting.
Oh yeah, in all of her rusty glory.
Mexico, boys.
He's running rich. See that? It went to 10.
All right, we are back at the garage. David had to go. He had to leave real quick. Unfortunately, didn't get a chance to have him say goodbye. But we got the tape, we got more lacquer thinner, and I have to go ahead and tape up some more stuff in the engine bay here with the tin foil, or the aluminum foil, and sand more of the car, but we're gonna actually do that tomorrow morning, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to prime by the afternoon, so hopefully this bad boy will be all gray by tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, see you guys then. Peace.